So we're at Cherohala Skyway, but we're not going to ride it. I'll show you another cool thing to do here. We're going to see Bald River Falls, which are pretty awesome. Have that explorer heart about you, don't mind a little dirt road. I flew in my helmet and was like, we're running out of mountain. I don't know when that happened, but it happened somewhere. This is a fantastic way to get back. Now, it's a Saturday, there's a lot of people out. The Skyway's not going to be that good today, it'll just be me stuck behind people. So, we're going to do an audible. Click on the little right turn signal, turn off onto 210 National Forest Road, which is also called River Road. We're going to see Bald River Falls, which are pretty awesome, but I bet there's going to be 1,000 people there. On not a weekend, you'll have the road pretty much to yourself. It's one of those kinds of places. Everybody thinks about it when they're like, oh, let's go out in the nature. You know, you got Cherohala Skyway up on top of these mountains that we're riding around on. And then you got this down here, which is just beautiful river, you know, nature and that kind of thing. If all you're doing is coming and riding Cherohala Skyway, you're missing out. You know, because a lot of people they'll come to Dills Gap, they'll get on Cherohala Skyway, they'll ride the Tellico Plains, and then they'll turn around and go straight back. This is a fantastic way to get back. So, Tellico River Gorge, River Road, Forest Road 210, however you want to find it. If you look for Tellico Beach, you can find it. It's just a couple miles up the road from that. Just see cool stuff like this. Ah, crap, I just got behind somebody. You can see we're coming up to Bald River Falls. People are going down to the, you know, going down and swimming down there, playing around. That's a pretty cool waterfall though, right? About 6 miles from where we turned off, so it's really not that far out of your way to come and see something that's really pretty. There's another waterfall right up here off to the left, and you can swim down there too. Oh, excuse you, buddy. People would just wave you around when you're on a motorcycle. I'm not like getting up on them aggressively or doing anything. I'm just kind of following behind them for a little bit, and then they're like, okay, go ahead. This actually reminds me a lot of riding through Great Smoky Mountains National Park, which you should, because that's only about maybe an hour from here. Alright, so we're going to turn off on the North River Road. There's no sign that says that, but it's Forest Road 217. And this one is dirt, so we're going to get off the pavement. I feel like most of you that watch the channel are kind of have that explorer heart about you, don't mind a little dirt road, so. And these are very well kept forest roads. These ones that we're going to be on today. They're not like some of them where you get in, you know, that are pretty rough or whatever. These are well taken care of. So if you like little dirt roads and pretty little mountain streams, you're going to love this road. I feel like it's worth mentioning that there's not been one car since I turned off onto this road. There's a lesson there. You know, if you're out and it's a weekend or a holiday weekend and there's lots of people out in the nature, which they tend to do, it's still possible to get away from them. You just gotta go where they ain't. Oh, funnel. Oh. So we're out on the Tiger today. I thought I'd give you a decent look at it. I always forget to do that. Anyway, Tiger is my go-to for longer rides. I love this bike. Well, that was exciting. A butterfly flew in my helmet and was like, that was crazy. Didn't have the cameras turned on though. You can see all the way up that ridge. It's just cool. Of course, still got the creek over here on our right. And the dirt in front and behind. That's me going around. If not, we'll have to be riding in this dust cloud. Look at that. Turned right off. Give him a little toot as it go by. Thanks. We're definitely going up now. Like I said, we have to get up to Cherohala Skyway. So this is going to be significantly up for a while. How pretty is this, though? Such a pretty road. Through a beautiful forest. And this is, I don't know if I mentioned or not, this is Cherokee National Forest. Coming up to a little bridge. A hiking trail right there. We topped out and we went down and now we're going back up again. So, guessing we just got up on one ridge and we dropped down it a little bit and started up the next one. Notice the road's gotten a little rougher as I've gone. Of course it would be. I mean, going uphill, you're going to get some washboarding and that kind of thing, which I can see. So, see, I'm kind of staying over to the left because generally, for whatever reason, it's not as bad on the left side. And it's always way worse around right-handed turns. Overall, this road is in very, very good shape. It's actually such good shape I haven't even bothered to put the Tiger over into off-road mode. So that means if I hit the throttle, the traction control just comes on. Nothing happens. So, highly effective, super annoying on dirt roads though. So I just noticed the temperatures dropped down to 69 degrees here. When I was at the bottom, it was in the high 70s. I'm going to say 77, 78. So we've lost almost 10 degrees of temperature. And that's just because of how much elevation that we're gaining now. So I'm guessing we're not crazy far from the top at this point. But we have been going up for a long time. Is this a road? Looks like a road. Looks like I need to stop, make sure I'm going the right direction. Salt the map. Gotta give it a minute to get it caught up with where we are. Huh, it doesn't show that road. Okay, yeah, we're definitely going the right way. Always good to double check those kinds of things. Oh yeah, I'm starting to see the tops of the mountains now, so we are getting close. Got that over there. Ooh. Yeah. There's not a whole lot of up left to go up. We're running out of mountain. Look at that, I can see the Skyway from here. We're coming into Cherohala National Forest because we're on the North Carolina side now. I don't know when that happened, but it happened somewhere. But that is Cherohala Skyway from below. So that's going to be the end of the ride because we're going to go up here and get on the Skyway. So have a good ride. Come and do this. Oh, this is bumping. Just other rides that I need to be going to do that I haven't done yet. So chances are I haven't heard of them. There it is, Cherohala Skyway. Oh, you beautiful piece of road, you.